side, we can catch 2 fish. 1 pick. Great REMA over there, sir. The next fisherman that down there, so you know. As it look like, I get a little 1 pick. You know what I'm going. I'm drawing line, so I should not catch nothing. Not all now, go on to sister room. Like I said, I can't take up my line on, guys. Let's see what go on feet, you know. Not go on feet neither. They're empty. I throw back out there. Throw back out there, guys. Get 1 pick still. That's a good sign. Hook. How are you eat? Your plan? Huh? You don't have no hook, B? What? You don't have no hook? Hook? Yeah. 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 But guys, may I get a pick, you know? You have lead? You have lead? No, come. Rima, may I get a pick, you know, babes? Guys, some breeder fish down here, so. Me I tell you now, watch you guys, may I get a pick, you know? B, you want to angle this? Come draw me line. Alright, go and do it, those.
See the car in the use, nobody down here?
Yeah.
You have to hide yourself. Play with them.
Guys.
It's not so long next, so you see something. That's why I'm moving it. One organized. I'll watch me what you say if I come over there.
Guys, may I tell you? Terrible pick me I get, you know. But it look like you let it go. You let it go, guys. I say I can't zoom me up. Guys, you see black sitting? The black thing.
You say you have to eye them, just sit down,
Don't tell me something, I have to go sit down, guys. You see what I'm going? Guys, I'm going to seat. So watch and see what I'm going to know. No, that's easy to pull up, man. I know. Watch out. I get a jack down. You can't, that can't not up like that, really. No pull out now. I want to them a fisher, Them pick slow. bait, guys. You can't see it. Take up one of them big one now. Some big something in the water. I want to take up one of them. Some more take up one of them big fish away in the water, man. I want to take up one of them, guys, I tell you. Big, you know. One of them. Guys, the rain I drizzle down, you know. See the water. See water, rain I drizzle. But we're still out here, you know. Out there. We're still out there. You know. Fishing rain out. Still I try see if we can catch two of the big something them we see in some fish them big, massive, broad. I try to say fish them big. Leave me now, fish them big. I want to show the people them one of them, you know. Yeah, I feel like I go show no one, you know. Yeah, man. Feel like I go show no one, man. At one pit, guys, we're in a fall. Generally under a raincoat. When I get a picket, guys, I tell you, and the rain come down. Every little while, I itch on my line, bust some off, fix you up back and yo, I tell you, say giant them in here, no, man, but I don't know why. It might be to me a tune to entice them or whatsoever. I don't know how I go on. You understand? Guys, I tell you, say fish them in are wicked in a man. Fish them in are terrible in a man. I call one crayfish, you go try him no go itch me line, you know, man, because I can't bother with them, you know. Crayfish them. The river catch fish in the rain. Try great REMA out here line out there, so try to see if she can catch the first fish. Before she I don't know my line a jog and I feel like I may catch the first one, you know. So let's see what we're going with it. Right there. Big fish there on it, man. Worry yourself. I can't go nowhere, no. Once he hook him, he can't move, you know. So I not ease, you know. Just want him settle. Now rush the thing like Chris. Alright, and if Chris get too bad pick. Jog all the fish there, all him mouth tear out and left him body in the water. Reach up, so. Jackie, we are telling us mouth fly up so him body left. Pop him up. We ain't jag that every share, brother. See what going on now, people.